Hi, welcome to Fast Track to Fitness. This is Jay again. Today I'm going to show you 5 to 6 minutes workout for your upper body. Everybody is rushed of time and they don't have time. So, this exercise, all you need to do is that spend about 5 to 6 minutes, which is going to take care of your upper body. Now, again, when wherever you are at home or anywhere else, when you have time, just first we are going to see a good workout for your chest, which is going to take care of your pec muscles. Now I'm going to do a normal push-up. Now, if you are in doubt, you can watch my other videos of different types of push-ups. Now after this, maybe you can do about 5, and then slowly you can do a diamond push-up, which takes care of your triceps. Again, after this, you can actually do a wide push-up, which is going to take care of. So you have this 3 sets of push-ups, which is going to take care of your pec. Now after this, you can actually do about, you can start about 5 of each of these exercises, different sets of exercises, and then you can take a break for 30 seconds, or you can straight away go on to this. If you have a wall or anything, you can use a chair where you're going to do a decline push-up where your head goes down. Okay. If you're not really sure about, you haven't done it, please don't try this. You can actually try this once you are done. Now that takes care of your upper shoulders as well. Now if you have a dumbbell, everybody has a dumbbell at home actually. Now I'm going to show you quick workout for your triceps. All you need to do is just make anywhere you can, however you stand, just keep your knees soft and keep your chest upright, pull your navel button into the spine. Now you're going to actually do a workout. Now you're going to bend and taking it up, working out your triceps. You can also do a triceps, which you're going to take it back like this. Remember, your arm is closer to your earlobe and putting it back. And then actually you can do it on your other hand. Now, once you're done with this, you're actually going to do some exercise for your biceps. Now, biceps can be a basic bicep curl. You can lean forward. You can see how it works, and you can take it. And you can also do a hammer, which actually where you can flex this, or you can hang this completely, have a balance, and do a bicep curl. Now you can do this bicep curl. You can have about 15 reps. You can slowly increase to 20 reps, and you can take a break. So remember, you do this completely. It also takes your heart rate high. You also burn a lot of calories, and you can do different sets, 2 to 3 sets, having 30 minutes. But you start with 60 seconds rest, and you can do it slow. Take care. You can try this. All the best.